afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz G class. This is the G63 AMG, 4-liter twin-turbo V8. And this is finished in Sintered bronze Magno. And the previous owner of this vehicle had the entire car wrapped in a matte PPF. So full PPF on every panel of the vehicle. Notice the 22-inch AMG matte black cross-spoke forged wheels. I do apologize, I was out on vacation when this vehicle was listed for sale, so it did sit for a few days outside, so it does have a little dirt here and there, but nothing that can't clean right up. Vehicle has just over 3,000 miles on the odometer. It is like new. Nice big Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. And we'll take you to the inside. Got a two-tone truffle brown and black leather interior. Ambient lighting throughout. Burmester sound system. 3-stage heated outboard seats with dual zone climate control. First row power sunroof. Three-stage heated and ventilated front seats. Option with the AMG carbon fiber trim, so you do get that carbon fiber on the interior dashboard, center console. Nice big fully digital instrument cluster and display. Multi-function steering wheel. This is also heated. Also optioned with the AMG top speed delimiter. All right, folks, like new, excellent shape, really appealing sitting out here outside. It's going to draw a lot of attention. If you have any questions, give us a call here, 614-793-1050. Should be a bunch of photos on our website. Please take a look at those at autoassets.com.